this video, I'm going to show you how to register a domain name and set up a DNS servers for that domain name. So here are the things that you need to know before you register a domain name. So first, you obviously need to know a name of a domain you're going to register. You need to know the DNS records for the server where you are going to point it to. And finally, you need to know whether you want to enable the privacy or not. And obviously, I highly recommend to enable it. Now, what you want to do here is you basically want to find out the domain name which you are going to register. And in this case, we are going to register moreresultsbootcamp.com. And next, we need to know the DNS records, which I have here right in front of me. And these are the records that I'm going to use. And what I always highly recommend when you start a new domain name, you create this notepad file where you keep all the records, all the login details and everything in one place when it comes to that particular domain. So let's just copy this and let's go to the registrar and let's just set up a domain name. Now, when it comes to domain registration, there are obviously many domain registrars that you can use. What I highly recommend and what we use is namecheap.com. So you can go to namecheap.com, type in the domain name that you want to click search. But obviously, if you are doing this for somebody else, then they will tell you exactly what kind of domain registrar they use. We just use a Namecheap in our business. That's why I'm recommending it as well. So now, as you can see, it returns results. And as you can see, moreresultsbootcamp.com is available. So we want to click that button and add this to the cart. And next, we want to just click View Cart. So here, what you can see right now, we have the domain registration, and it automatically offers the free WhoisGuard, which is the privacy. So when you decide whether to enable or disable privacy, this is basically controlled by WhoisGuard. If you basically purchase this and on Namecheap, it's first year absolutely free, then obviously you want to turn it on and that will protect your privacy completely. So we are all set. We have the privacy here enabled as well. Auto renewal, we can turn that on as well. And we have the domain here, so we can confirm the order and we can move to complete the payment. So in this step, basically what you need to do is either to log in with the logins that you have, if you have a Namecheap account, or you can set up a brand new account. And obviously, if you do this for somebody else, you want to ask them whether they have an account or not and how they want to do it, right? So I have an account here, so let me just log in. So now I'm logged in to my account and I have all the details obviously provided, but you can also change all the details here, like for example, the domain, registration address and things like that. And usually you will provide those when you will set up an account on Namecheap. So what I will do right now, I will just pay for the domain so we can go forward and set up a DNS record for the domain. So let me just do this now. So now my domain has been registered. So the next thing, I want to click this manage in your account. And now what we want to do, we want to set up a DNS record for this domain. Now, in order to do that, you want to click this transfer DNS to web host. And here you want to provide the details that we had here on this notepad document. So I will provide them right now. So now we click save changes. And that's pretty much it. Now we have a domain name registered. We have the DNS records pointed to our server. So we are done when it comes to domain registration.